We know what's Bitcoin, what's the prices, what's Binance, and what's crypto, but probably we don't know some interesting facts about Bitcoin that actually will surprise you. Watch this video until the end, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe us for more interesting videos. If you bought $100 worth of Bitcoins in 2010, you now may have more than $100 million. The total number of available Bitcoins are 21 million. So far, more than 17 million and 800,000 Bitcoins have been mined, and about 3 million Bitcoins remain to be mined. Bitcoin, like the internet, is not owned by any person or group. The creator of Bitcoin has been named Satoshi Nakamoto, who is not known to be the person behind the story or a group. However, the identity of its creator has not yet been determined. 20–30% of network Bitcoins are unusable because their owners have lost their private key and do not have access to this wallet. An average of 144 blocks are mined per day, and since each block contains 12.5 Bitcoins, it means that 1,800 Bitcoins are mined daily. Bitcoin experienced a growth of 1,345% in 12 months in 2017. 12 years ago, in 2010, a person named Lazlo Hynek paid 10,000 Bitcoins to buy 2 pizzas and a drink, which, if you calculate at today's price, has cost more than $200,000 million. He probably regrets it now. This was the first purchase with Bitcoin. A man named Peter Soddington bought more than 1,000 Bitcoins in November 2011 with a $115 investment. He was able to buy a Lamborghini a few years later with his fortune. It's almost impossible to identify the sender and receiver details on the Bitcoin network. The computing power of Bitcoin miners is much greater than that of supercomputers. According to calculations, the computing power of this network is about 2 million petaflops. The computing power of 500 of the most powerful supercomputers in total is not more than 274 petaflops. Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. That's once the money went, it went. Bitcoin wallet or private key is all your property. If you lose, all your money is gone. In other words, if you use an online wallet and have forgotten the password, it means that you have lost all your money. Unlike common currencies, Bitcoin is based on mathematical calculations. The University of Nicosia in Cyprus is the first university to accept Bitcoin for tuition fees. Microsoft, Dell, Lamborghini and Expedia are among the companies that accept Bitcoin. Switzerland recognizes digital currencies as a foreign currency. Vancouver, Canada is the first city to build a Bitcoin cash machine. In the Netherlands, you can buy pizza with Bitcoin.